Well, let's try this again. Got the baler out today. Greased it up. Oiled the chains. It is an old Ford baler. 501K, I do believe. We bought it 7 years ago or so. And this is the first time we pulled it out to run it. Don't know the year. Wouldn't have a clue. Haven't looked for any tags. Just know what the book said that come with it. Head down a little bit. Got it hooked up to the little 790 John Deere. That way everybody can laugh at me about having a little tractor. But yeah, we got her out and greased her up. Oiled the chains up. Had it run a minute ago. We'll fire her back up here. Let you see it work. Got my son down there in the swimming pool pressure washing, because they wouldn't take care of it. And we're off. A little squeaky. And like I told my son, it is old. It don't have the guards and stuff like the new ones have. Belts are good. Chains are sorta tight. Battery going dead on my phone. Got it kicked over in hay mode. What you're hearing them needles pick up. And now the fun part. What do you think? I believe it's in time. But we got her out and oiled her and greased her and got her going just to see how she'd do. I believe she's going to do us pretty good when we find us a place to bale. Oh, got a tag. Oh. 1480-504I. That's it. Series, component, serial number, all that jazz. It was painted. Whoever done it didn't do too good a job. Automotive style wheel bearings. Automotive style wheel bearings. Pulled this home from a dealership. We actually went to buy one at one dealer. Stood in their showroom for 45 minutes waiting on the man to come talk to us. Well, he didn't come talk to us, and he was a Kubota dealer. We were looking for used. Well, right next door was a John Deere dealership that I do business with. When I pulled out, I seen this little baler sitting on their used lot. I just wheeled in, went up, and within 10 minutes, we had done looked her over, done a little bit of paperwork. I paid the man $800 cash and had it hooked behind my truck coming home. Drove 45 miles an hour with this behind my truck for about 30-some, 40-some miles. She done great. They never heated up, cool to the touch. I did have to replace one tire after I got here because it was dry rotted. But my tire guy, he hooked me up with a tar and a tube, putting it on. Got a nice little fine storage area. There you put my extras. In case I break a chain or pin or amount of me grease gun. Maintenance is key on this old equipment, and it will last you a long time. She is noisy, but let's crank her up and see what she does. That would be baling speed. Yeah, I've got a small tractor. This is my homemade forks, pallet forks. Don't laugh, they work good. Even move around bales with them. PTO off. PTO clutch does work. You can tell. Got the little tractor off. But yeah, don't know the year yet. Hadn't thought about it. Blue might be on that thing, 1480. I don't know if it's a 80 model or not. I doubt it. But you never know. Stranger things have happened. But yeah, I thought we'd show you the little baler since we had it out. Now we're going to put it in its new home, which will be this one. So until the next little adventure, be safe, have fun, be careful, and we'll see you on the next one.